Hi guys, John here, Mr. Forex Fire, and welcome to what is now the 10th of September and the Forex Fire Friday weekly vlog, where I go over what's happened during the week, where I'm at heading into where we are for next week, and more importantly, where are we at with these funded challenges. Okay, so this week just gone, just to let you all aware, I have become stay-at-home a full-time trader. Okay, I'm still yet to pass the challenge, to be fair, but I'm now working towards passing the challenges. We learned from our lessons last month. I'm in a comfortable position to be able to do this, to be fair. And we've got 3 accounts. We've got one with a company called Fidelcrest, which is a challenge. I was approached by them to document my experience, share my thoughts with regards to how they are as a company, and give you the journey of how I'm taking it with them and what the parameters are. The second one is obviously the big one, the FTMO. I'm going to show you that one towards the end of the video. And the third one is a very, very minimal small live account, which is something I'm testing using a method called the fire scalper, the Forex fire scalper, based upon a 1-minute chart, and that has seen some great success. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to talk about the fire scalper, what it is and what it's been doing for the disco queue that we're in. I put this to the group and we base it upon structure and smart money, but give it a scalping technique. From there, let's take a look. All right, from there, guys, sorry, just getting a notification. From there, what we were seeing, based upon, because I worked upon sessions in London, New York, and I was working between 8, maybe 5 at first, doing these and testing which part of those sessions was best to trade in, and found some sweet spots. So I normally trade on a morning between, say, 8 and 9:30, and then again at around about, say, 1 o'clock-ish to maybe 2:30 for an hour. And that's what I trade. And I look for a determining trend, and then I look for a swing point, and then I work my smart money entries from there. Got my defined stop loss, and the TP is liquidity on the high side if it's on an uptrend, or liquidity on the downside if it's on a downtrend. So that's going pretty well. And I'm just going to share my screen, and we're doing pretty well on the live account, albeit I should say I had a bit of a loss the other day, but we clawed it back, to be honest. We clawed it back and we're doing well for the end of the week. All 3 accounts has been in profits this week. Okay, and we're going to start with Fidelcrest. Again, these guys approach me, give me a 5K challenge. First phase we went through, we have to hit 5%, got to do it within a 30-day period, but contained within 10 trading days. I got the 5% within the first day or 2, but once I went over the 10 days, these guys seen this and they reached out to me and put me straight onto the pro account. The pro account is where they give you a fresh 5K to start with, and you've got to hit a 5% again. Okay, once you hit that 5%, they will start paying out based upon what you've got. So on here, the largest daily loss the largest daily loss that you can do is 5%. Mine's just been under 2. From there, my overall gain is around about 3.51. Excuse me, flat chest. I've got to get this to £250 profit. I've got it as 175 at the moment. Okay, no violations found on either the short trades or missing SLs. 79 trades. There's only a success rate of over 62%. Now, the minimum duration on this, you've got to have an SL and a TP set. The trade's got to be active for 10 seconds or more to be not violating the account. So you can't just be in and out, in and out. You've got to have a predetermined set area if you're putting a stop loss and an SL. Okay, and the SL is required. So your stop loss is required to your TP. And that's that in a nutshell for that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move on to the big one, which is I know you are all following on. And this is the FTMO. You can see on here, I've had around about 71 trades. Started on the 23rd of August. I've got until the 21st. So again, the 21st is around about one and a half weeks away. Okay, 1.5 weeks away. This is for a 25k account size. Yes, I don't have it yet. We are heading towards the second phase. Where do we stand on this? Let's just take a look. We scroll down. We've got 3 ticks, 11 days out of 10 so far. The maximum loss is 1,250. I've only had losses up to 452, so that's passing. Maximum loss is 2,500. Very, very good conservative loss on these. The maximum loss on the day-to-day is $43.16. From there, the target for profit is 2,500. I'm sitting pretty at 1,704. So I need around another £800. I know I set the bar a little high at the beginning of this week. I said I wanted to try and sort of tick the box off to go into the second phase for next week. But look, taking a step back and looking back on the bigger picture, why do I need to hurry myself? Again, it's not as if I've got to go to my full-time job. I'm able to do what I found what works best for me, trade those optimal times for my style, which is 8 o'clock to 9:30, and then again from 1 o'clock to maybe 2:30. And it's working well for me. And you can see on here the growth that we're getting. It's just been a little blip at the beginning as we're starting finding our feet, but after which it was constantly just grow, and we're going to the moon on that. From there, guys, the sort of trades I take, average profits around about just under $30, 71 trades. Average RRs 1 to just under 2. Win rate on this is 87.32. And this is what I've been taking daily around about. Again, I was on a bit of a loss on here, but we clawed it back. Had a phenomenal day straight after to get back onto the ball. But yeah, that's where I'm at with regards to the FTMO challenge right now. I'm at 3 ticks, week and a half to go, and I only need another £800. Once I get that, I move into the second stage verification. Now, if you guys are not following me yet, a couple of things you can do. You can actually just click anywhere on my name. I think it's near the top on here. You should see a follow button. Click on there, hit the follow, select C first. Okay, select C first, and then you'll see any content that I do. From there, you're all very well aware of YouTube. You can simply go onto YouTube. Hi guys. Just shut my mouth up on there a minute. From there, you can hit, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we've got some phenomenal stuff in here. These at the moment, the 1 minute charts. Okay, the 1 minute charts, very, very good viewing on these. And we've got the smart money concepts on the minute chart as well. Okay, and if you're not inside of the channel, excuse me, we've got a great Discord channel where I put in some videos from time to time. We've got the fire scalper on here, which has just been starting to put in. We've got video training on smart money, supply and demand, currency strength, how you're going to adapt to the markets, use the ADR to your benefit and implement it with one of these further strategies. And not only that, I've got homework sections as well. So every now and again, and I'll be doing that this weekend, I'm going to be putting some homework in here. This week, it's going to be based upon scalping the 1 minute chart. So if you want to get involved with that and learn a little bit more on how to scalp the 1 minute chart with such precision and efficiency, then you need to get in on this Discord channel. Okay. From there, guys, you will generally see links within my channel. Okay. As we run down, you can become trading buddies with me by clicking on this link and getting in on the further extended arm that I'm part of, which has helped me get to the level of where I'm at with all of this. You can see the growth on here. We can get you accelerated with your trade and get this on your accounts as well. From there, I've got the 2 links for where you can go and get funded access. There's Fidelcrest, which are phenomenal. Their customer services are first class, and there's one there for fun and talent. You can also click on the ForexFire members website. There's a blog on there, and then I've got groups, my Instagram, and also my main Facebook page. Okay, send us a friend request. Let's connect. Let's have a chat. I'm open. I'm honest. I'm genuine. I believe, and I'm not being biased with this, I believe I've got the best approach when it comes to helping people in and around trading, simply because I'm putting you on the building block. I'm putting you on the bridge to where you are not feeling rushed. You are not feeling stressed to be able to attain any profits from the get-go, just to cover subscription services. What I have is a safe zone. It's an area where people can come in and learn at their own free will at a pace that suits them, and they can go through my content. Yes, when we get your, and I go on about this all the time, when you get your confidence, consistency, and profitability, and you want to start to look into this sort of stuff and head towards getting this sort of money to trade with, because again, I'll be honest with you, I don't have this amount of money to trade with on my own. This is why in the last few months alone, I've been certainly looking into prop firms and what they're all about. And with the help of the further extended arm, the EFX guys, this is where I'm at with my trading journey. And I want to be able to give that to use. And again, you do not have to go straight into the EFX with me. You can come in and start from the beginning, get your confidence and consistency there, go through the homework sessions with us, ask questions, engage within the ecosystem that we have on the Discord here, and reach out to us at any time, whether it's me or one of the mods, and ask how you can take that next step with us on EFX to accelerate your progress and then start the funded process. Okay, guys? So I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog. Okay. Again, absolutely chuffed a bit with this. This growth is just showing the level of consistency that I've been able to attain when I've got no other distractions behind me or happening in and around a working week. My full concentration is now upon doing this, and I'm loving it. Okay, guys? So if you want to get involved, you know where you can reach out to me: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Just comment. Let us know what you're thinking of the journey. Are you enjoying the content? Because you guys are the ones that drive me forward to keep doing these documenting. Okay, I don't see anybody else doing this within any other sort of group, showing you a day-to-day vlog, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook, and then showing you an end-of-week vlog based upon going through the process of a journey. There's too many people that are out there that just go bang, I did this within 2 days, I did it within 3 days. I'm going to give you the no bullshit approach and give you the honest, real, genuine lowdown. Okay, guys? So again, my name has been John, ForexFire. I'll see you later. See you later.